Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jukebox Bluetooth speaker options that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Pyle PJUB25BT Bluetooth Jukebox. If you're looking for a great Bluetooth jukebox, go no further than the Pyle Pro. It is indeed the overall best jukebox Bluetooth speaker on our list. Pyle PJUB25BT has a sleek, contemporary style with a multicolored border tube to provide color to your nostalgic environment. We like that it supports practically every device, including iPhones, iPads, tablets, Android phones and MP3 players, and offers Bluetooth for wireless streaming. Additionally, it enables aux connection and includes a USB connector, SD card reader, and other features. We found the sound quality to be excellent. Additionally, the FM radio coverage we got was appreciable. While USB sound is also very nice, Bluetooth sound is superior. The RCA output connector jack on the back of the Pyle Pro Jukebox lets you hook it up to even more gear. Thanks to its connectivity with a wide range of devices, using it is a breeze. Moving on at number 4, we have the Victrola Nostalgic Wood Countertop Jukebox with built-in Bluetooth speaker. If you're looking for a quality and best-looking jukebox Bluetooth speaker at a reasonable price, consider the Victrola Nostalgic Wood Countertop. It is an excellent choice if you'd want to bring back the classic style without breaking the bank. We liked the jukebox's exterior with an iconic design that suits the vintage aesthetic. The whole construction is surrounded by red and blue tubes, giving it a retro appearance. They offer 5 distinct color selections and the ability to light up when the music is playing. If you're not in the mood for a disco, you can easily turn off the LEDs and play some music. We found that the Victrola Jukebox has premium features that provide a one-of-a-kind listening environment. Moreover, the Victoria Retro Desktop Jukebox can play music from a variety of sources, including an FM radio, CD player, Bluetooth, 3.5mm auxiliary input, SD card, and USB. In addition, it enables connectivity with non-Bluetooth devices, which is currently uncommon among available alternatives. Moreover, we could get the Bluetooth connection up to 33 feet away, which is also fantastic. At number 3, we have the Crosley CR1120 ASI The Diner Jukebox Radio. Crosley CR1120 ASI The Diner Jukebox Radio packs a powerful punch with Bluetooth and an internal speaker, and it's just the right size to nestle in your palm or on your office desk. It's excellent value for money, and we have chosen it as the best budget Bluetooth speaker on our, albeit little, and the ability to turn pages and the red light on top that lights up when powered on makes it look great. In addition, you can put it in tight spots. Crosley CR1120 ASI has a Bluetooth receiver so you can play digital music straight from your phone. Its small size makes it a great option to carry wherever you want to. We discovered that when we turned the radio on, the speaker's volume level was higher than over Bluetooth. Moreover, Crosley CR1120 ASI Diner Jukebox Radio has a retro look with a red light at the top of the jukebox and rotating title cards. At number 2, we have the UEME Retro Tabletop Jukebox with Bluetooth. The UEME Retro Tabletop Jukebox with Bluetooth support brings the timeless ambiance of the 1950s to your surroundings. It is the best portable jukebox Bluetooth, as you can place it in the corner of your favorite space, whether it be a bedroom, living room, or workplace, since it is just 15 inches tall. It is simple to mount on any shelf, such as a kitchen counter, bedroom table, or other workstation. UEME Retro is a perfect blend of current design and technology and has trendy and vintage looks. We found that the LED light changes color along with the music while you play a song. In addition, it adds a timeless, retro feel to your house with its 1950s diner design. We found that we could stream music from any nearby Bluetooth-enabled device, even if it were 33 feet away. The jukebox may be tuned manually or automatically. It can automatically scan and store 50 FM stations in your region. It is compatible with many sound output devices, including computers, tablets, smartphones, and others, and you can listen to music via the aux-in port. And finally at number 1, we have the Arc Rocket 200 Wall-O-Matic Table Jukebox Wallbox Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. The Arc Rocket 200 Wall-O-Matic Table Jukebox Wallbox Wireless Bluetooth Speaker is our choice for the best high-end jukebox Bluetooth speaker owing to its interesting features. It combines the finest examples of retro audio production with today's most enticing conveniences and features full Bluetooth support. We found that it has a genuine chrome coating for that classic diner from the 1950s vibe, which immediately draws your attention. Moreover, its animated, classic disco lights provide the ideal setting for any celebration. Moreover, the jukebox features brackets. You can place the jukebox on a table or fix it on a wall. We were happy to discover that there was a radio, a USB port, an MP3 compatible audio jack, and an SD card slot for playing music. Additionally, with the help of the Bluetooth interface, you can stream music from a mobile device, computer, or stereo system. It has a 2-button interface that makes choosing music a breeze. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.